I bought and tested these motorcycle dash cams so you don't have to waste your money. As a motorcycle enthusiast, I understand how vital it is to have a reliable dash cam that captures every moment of your ride. Whether it's for safety, proof in case of an accident, or simply to relive those unforgettable journeys, I've taken the time to dig deep into 5 of the best options on the market right now. Product number 1: VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam. I recently got my hands on the VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dash Cam, and let me tell you, my experience has been nothing short of enlightening. As a rider, safety and clarity on the road are paramount, and this camera does not disappoint. With its dual 1080p cameras, I found myself feeling more secure knowing that I could capture every detail of my rides both day and night. The Starlight Night Vision feature is particularly impressive. One evening, I decided to take a late-night ride, and I was amazed at how clearly the camera picked up the road and surroundings. It was as if I had a spotlight illuminating my path. The built-in Wi-Fi was a game-changer. Using the Wi-Fi camera app on my phone, I could view the footage in real time without having to remove the SD card. This aspect really stood out during my rides when I wanted to check if the camera was recording without stopping. The wired controller was also a thoughtful addition. I could easily record emergency footage with a simple button press. However, I did notice that if I pressed it too quickly, it would reset my Wi-Fi password, which was a bit frustrating. The installation process was straightforward, which I appreciated. I mounted the main unit under my seat, and it fit snugly without taking up too much space. The waterproof feature was a significant plus, especially since I live in an area where unexpected rain showers are common. Riding in the rain felt less daunting knowing that my dash cam was protected. However, I did notice that the video quality sometimes dipped in extreme low-light conditions, though it was still better than many of the competitors in this price range. Pros include its dual camera setup, the excellent Wi-Fi connectivity, and ease of installation. On the flip side, the occasional glitch with the wired controller and some low-light performance issues are worth noting. Ultimately, if you're looking for an affordable yet effective dash cam that covers all bases, the VSYSTO is a fantastic choice. It offers peace of mind at a price that won't break the bank. I wholeheartedly recommend this dash cam for anyone who rides regularly, as it provides essential safety features without a hefty price tag. Product number 2: Vantru F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam. Next up is the Vantru F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam, and wow, what a beast! From the moment I unboxed it, I could tell this was a premium product. The first thing that struck me was its sleek design and solid build quality. It boasts a 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, capturing stunningly clear footage. I took this cam on a weekend trip along the coast, and the clarity of the video was nothing short of breathtaking. Every detail, from the crashing waves to the vibrant colors of the sunset, was captured beautifully. The 160 degrees wide-angle lens was also a huge plus, allowing me to capture more of the scenery and surrounding vehicles, which is crucial for safety. One feature that made a significant difference was the built-in GPS. Not only does it record your speed and location, but it also allows you to track your routes, which can be invaluable in case of an incident. When I checked the Vantru app to review my ride, I was able to see my speed and route history, which added a layer of context to my footage. The IP67 waterproof rating gave me peace of mind when riding in unexpected weather. During one of my rides, a sudden downpour hit, but I knew my camera was safe and still recording. The voice alerts were also a thoughtful touch. I received prompts if there was a memory card error or if the G-sensor detected a collision, which kept me informed without needing to check the screen constantly. Installation was straightforward, and I appreciated the wired remote control, allowing me to save specific clips or take photos without fumbling around. On the downside, the Vantru F1 is a bit on the pricier side, which might not be ideal for everyone. Plus, during my initial setup, I encountered a minor hiccup with the firmware update, but once I sorted that out, it was smooth sailing. If you're serious about capturing your rides in stunning detail and want a camera that can withstand the elements, the Vantru F1 is well worth the investment. It's not just a dash cam. It's your reliable companion on every ride. Product number 3, C6 Pro Motorcycle Dash Cam. Let's talk about the C6 Pro Motorcycle Dash Cam, which has impressed me with its innovative features. Right out of the gate, I was drawn to its dual recording capability at 1080p, which is perfect for capturing both the front and rear views. The 140 degrees wide-angle lens provided a fantastic perspective, and I found myself feeling more aware of my surroundings while riding. One of the standout features of the C6 Pro is its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. This feature allowed me to seamlessly connect my phone to the dash cam, enabling me to use navigation apps and listen to music directly through the system without distractions. I took a trip to the mountains, and having GPS navigation on my handlebars was a lifesaver. The built-in GPS not only tracked my routes but also provided essential journey data, which is useful for anyone who likes to keep tabs on their rides. The installation process was simple. I mounted the camera on my handlebars without any fuss. The 6.25-inch touchscreen was a delight to use as it adjusted its brightness based on the lighting conditions, ensuring clarity during both day and night rides. I also appreciated the tire pressure and temperature monitoring feature, which kept me informed about my bike's health. It's a small detail, but it adds a layer of safety that can't be overlooked. However, I did encounter some connectivity issues with Bluetooth, which was occasionally frustrating when trying to transfer data. The loop recording feature worked flawlessly, automatically overwriting older files without me having to worry about running out of space. Overall, the C6 Pro delivers a great balance of features at a reasonable price. If you want a dash cam that not only records but also enhances your riding experience, this is one to consider. It's a smart investment for any rider looking for a comprehensive safety solution. Product number 4, 1VAN Motorcycle CarPlay Screen. Now let's take a look at the 1VAN Motorcycle CarPlay Screen. At first glance, this product might seem like just a screen, but it's so much more. The 7-inch waterproof display is truly impressive. I mounted it on my bike and was instantly pleased with the clarity of the screen, even in bright sunlight. The seamless integration with CarPlay and Android Auto allowed me to access my maps and music easily while keeping my focus on the road. During my rides, I used voice commands for navigation, which felt like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's hands-free and kept my attention where it should be on the ride. The built-in GPS navigation system was spot on. I took a long ride through unfamiliar terrain and the system always kept me on track, recalculating routes quickly without any hassle. Plus, the dual 4K dash cams were a great addition. They captured everything in stunning detail. I felt a sense of security knowing I had video evidence of my rides. The BSD and TPMS features were game changers, alerting me of any potential hazards and monitoring my tire pressure in real time. This feature alone can save you from dangerous situations. The installation process was straightforward and the controls were intuitive. However, I did find the price to be higher than some of the simpler dash cams. If you want a comprehensive system that not only records your rides but also enhances your overall riding experience, the 1VAN Motorcycle CarPlay Screen is worth considering. It's an investment that combines safety, entertainment, and functionality into one sleek package. Product number 5, YCV MT100 Motorcycle Dash Cam. Finally, I tested the YCV MT100 Motorcycle Dash Cam, and for its price point, it really surprised me. I was initially drawn to its affordable price and the fact that it came with a free 64 GB SD card. The 2K HD recording was crisp, and the 140 degrees wide-angle lens captured a good amount of detail, making it perfect for daily rides. I took it out for a spin around town and was impressed with how smoothly it recorded my journey. The setup was incredibly easy, with multiple brackets included to fit different models. I mounted it quickly and it felt secure. The built-in Wi-Fi was a nice touch, allowing me to connect to the app without using data. I could view and download videos straight to my phone without any hassle. However, the image quality in low light wasn't as strong as I had hoped. Still, for daytime rides, it performed admirably. The loop recording feature worked flawlessly too, automatically overwriting older files without me having to think about it. The intelligent gravity sensor was a nice safety feature. It would lock important footage in case of an accident, ensuring I wouldn't lose critical evidence. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, the YCV MT100 provides solid performance for its price. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly option, this dash cam is a great choice for beginner riders or anyone looking to add some security without breaking the bank. In conclusion, whether you're an avid rider or just someone who enjoys the occasional weekend adventure, having a motorcycle dash cam is a wise investment. Each of these 5 options offers unique features that cater to different needs and budgets. From the high-end Vantru F1 to the budget-friendly YCV MT100, there's something for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that fits your riding style and requirements and ride safe out there.